Today, we're checking out something super exciting for car fans, the new 2026 Nissan Z Facelift. And yes, this is the world premiere. Even if you're just 10 years old, this car is easy to understand because it's all about looking cool, going fast, and feeling fun to drive. The Nissan Z has always been a sports car people love, and this new facelift makes it even better. From the outside, the 2026 Nissan Z looks sharper and more aggressive. The front end gets a cleaner grille, updated headlights, and sporty details that make the car look ready to race. The long hood and short rear give it that classic sports car shape. New wheels and fresh colors help it stand out on the road, whether it's parked or flying past you. Step inside and the cabin feels modern but still simple. The seats are sporty and supportive, holding you in place when the car takes corners. The dashboard has digital screens that show speed, maps, and music in a clear way that's easy to read. Buttons and controls are placed where your hands naturally go, so driving feels smooth and stress-free. Under the hood, the 2026 Nissan Z facelift is expected to keep strong performance. That means quick acceleration, a loud and fun engine sound, and sharp handling. It's built to make drivers smile every time they press the gas pedal. Overall, the new Nissan Z facelift feels like a perfect mix of old-school sports car fun and modern tech. It's fast, stylish, and exciting, making it a dream car for anyone who loves speed and driving fun.